Welcome back, guys. We've got your Monday lesson in solving linear equations, and this is considered to be 8th grade math, and so we want to invite you and your middle schoolers to grab a pencil, paper, and maybe a calculator so we can get started. We've got Mr. Campbell today who's taking us to school. Mr. Campbell, we don't have a lot of time, so take it away. I'm going to let you do your lesson.
Definitely. Thank you so much for having me. I'm really excited.
Absolutely.
So today, you guys, we're going to be learning how to solve linear equations on today. So this is 8th grade math. This is straight from the illustrative mathematics curriculum. And so I'm just going to slightly hold my board up a little bit for you guys. And so the problem that we have for today is 9 minus 2b plus 6 equals negative 3 times b plus 5 plus 4b. And anytime that we have parentheses, we know that that means multiplication, okay? So now we're just going to go ahead and start solving. I notice here that I have like terms, okay? So I have a 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. I'm going to do 15 minus 2b. I don't have to do anything else on this left side because nothing is the same. I'm going to multiply negative 3 times b. That's a negative 3b. Negative 3 times a 5 is a negative 15 plus 4b. All right, so we are right where we need to be. Everyone with me? All right, so now I notice that on my right side, I do have like terms. This negative 3b and this positive 4b. Well, a negative 3b plus a 4b is going to be a 1. And we don't write 1 in linear equations. We just use it as a standalone variable. So I'm just going to say b. So I'm going to rewrite everything. 15 minus 2b equals b minus 15. All right, now I'm right where I need to be. All right. 15 minus 2b equals b minus 15. Now, if we notice something here, I have two variables. They both have to get away somehow. So I'm going to add 2b to both sides. 15 equals 3b minus 15, okay? Now, what I need to do is that I need to get this b by itself. This b has to be all by itself. So in order to isolate the variable, I have to get rid of this some sort of way. What do you guys think I need to do? 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds? No? Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I have to get rid of the b, so I'm going to add 15 to both sides. There we go, that 15 cancels out. 30 equals 3b, okay, and I'm moving really fast. Divide both sides by 3. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 10 will equal b.
Yeah.
There's your final answer. Okay? Don't worry, if it was a typical lesson, it'd be 50 minutes long.
That was awesome. Okay, you caught me like at the very end. I was like, oh, I know how to do this.
Yeah.
But once you got to the 15, I am not very good at math. Guys, remember that this whole video and Mr. Campbell's lesson plan is going to be at arclatexhomepage.com, so be sure to check that out. And Mr. Campbell, you have 2 scholarships that you're going to be giving away. We want to tell the people about that. Tell us a little more.
I am, in addition to being a tutor, I am also a teacher. And so my business, MarKevea's Learning Center, I am doing something incredible this year that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. I want to reward 2 graduating seniors this school year 2 $500 scholarships. You'll write an essay. The rubric will be online for you guys to submit it back to me. It'll also be on y'all's page as well. And so I'm really excited because I think that our students have worked really hard this year. And given where we are now, I just want to spread some great cheer to everyone.
Absolutely. And Mr. Campbell, just because the students are at home doesn't mean that they have to stop learning. You're doing live Facebook feeds. How often are you doing them, and where can we find them to make sure that these students are keeping engaged?
Absolutely. You guys can find me on Facebook, MarKevea Campbell, or MarKevea's Learning Center. I go live between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. every day, Monday through Friday. I'll give you a break this week because it is spring break.
Yes.
I'm really excited about that, so I'm picking back up next Monday.
Absolutely. Mr. Campbell, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you so much.
Teaching us linear equations. Guys, make sure that you go to arclatexhomepage.com to find this segment online. And we've got another look at your forecast when we come back, so stay with us.